and welcome to the daily newspaper analysis, which is brought to you by LawSikho. So today we'll be covering the important news points from all the days that we had missed, even for the day of Diwali and even today as well. So we have news updates and legal news for the day and the previous days as well. Firstly, Liz Truss resigns as UK Prime Minister. So British Prime Minister Liz Truss resigned after just 6 weeks in office following a disastrous and rapidly reversed economic plan that sent the pound plunging and her government into chaos. Having been formally appointed by Queen Elizabeth II on September 6, just days before the monarch's death, Truss is now by far the shortest serving Prime Minister in the British history. Secondly, Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services partners with India Post Payments Bank. So Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited announced a strategic partnership with India Post Payments Bank to enhance credit access to a larger customer base. India Post Payments Bank will provide lead referral services to Mahindra Finance for passenger vehicles, three-wheelers, tractors, and commercial vehicle loan categories, and provide cash EMI deposit facilities to existing Mahindra Finance customers at the post office. Thirdly, Chandrayaan-3 to be launched in June 2023. So Chandrayaan-3, also the C3 launch will be there in June next year on board the geosynchronous launch vehicle Mark 3, that is GSLV Mk3. The chairperson of ISRO said, adding that the space agency is also working on the Gaganyaan mission and the first abort test is also scheduled in the new year. Fourthly, Indian junior women's team wins 10-meter air pistol gold medal at ISSF. So India's junior women's 10-meter air pistol team comprising Isha Singh, Shikha Narwal and Varsha Singh won gold medal at the ISSF Rifle or Pistol World Championship 2022 in Cairo, Egypt. Fifthly, first delivery of green hydrogen. So Germany took formal delivery of its first modest batch of hydrogen from the United Arab Emirates, a green fuel it hopes will help replace coal and gas used by energy-intensive industries in the coming future. Sixthly, Russia barred from the future projects of the FATF, which is actually the Financial Action Task Force. So Russia has been barred from participating in future projects of Global Terror Financing and Money Laundering Watchdog, Financial Action Task Force. Addressing a press conference in Paris, FATF chairperson T. Rajkumar said that the move comes in the wake of Moscow's invasion of Ukraine. Here is a task for you all. Let me know that if you know that what is the purpose of the Financial Action Task Force. If you know the function or the purpose of the FATF, let me know in the comment section below. Seventhly, REC PFC Inc. a Memorandum of Association with STPL. So REC Limited and Power Finance Corporation Limited, Maharatna CPSEs, under Ministry of Power have signed a Memorandum of Loan Agreement with SJVN Thermal Private Limited for financing 2 into 660 megawatt coal-based Buxar thermal power plant. Eighth, Raising Day of Indo-Tibetan Border Police, that is the ITBP. So the 61st Raising Day of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force was commemorated with great enthusiasm at the Basic Training Center in Bhanu near Chandigarh. A ceremonial parade was organized on the occasion, which was reviewed by Inspector General Ishwar Singh Duhan. Ninthly, Kashi Tamil Sangamam. So amid the continued debates over the imposition of Hindi across the country, the union government announced a month-long program to strengthen and rekindle the cultural and civilizational bond between Tamil Nadu and Varanasi. So named the Kashi Tamil Sangamam, the program would be held from November 16th to December 16th this year. Tenthly, Karnataka Bank wins Digital Transformation Award. So Karnataka Bank is awarded with the prestigious National Digital Transformation Awards, that is DX 2022 awards, conferred by the Confederation of Indian Industry for best practice in digital transformation under the BFSI segment in recognition of the innovative excellence in the 3 categories. Now let's see, what do we have for legal updates today? Firstly, arbitration clause in the initial agreement binding even if subsequent settlement doesn't have it, says the Delhi High Court. And please pardon me for the crackers going around in the background. We can't really help it. It's Diwali time. So this actually the Delhi High Court in this case has ruled that an arbitration clause contained in a rent agreement would continue to be binding upon the parties, despite the fact that after the expiry of the agreement, the parties had entered into a terms of settlement and an addendum to settlement which did not contain an arbitration clause. This was held in the case of Omega Finvest LLP versus Direct News Private Limited. Secondly, anticipatory bail cannot be granted merely because custodial interrogation is not required. The court should consider prima facie case as well. This has been said by the Supreme Court. It has also observed that the first and foremost thing that the court hearing an anticipatory bail application should consider is the prima facie case put up against the accused. The bench of Justices Suryakant and J.B. Pardiwala observed. This was held in the case of X versus Arun Kumar C.K. So this was all for today. We hope you liked the session. Thank you so much for staying tuned with LawSikho. If you wish to download the PDF of today's slides, you can join a Telegram channel. The link to the channel is there in the description box below, or you can also scan this QR code that you can see on your screens right now. Thank you so much.